Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and today's message is going to be quite short because it's very similar to what you had to do yesterday. So the new things are in math. You are going to be doing a fun mystery picture. Make sure that you upload your mystery picture to the discussion when you have completed it today and enjoy having fun. In reading core, you're going to continue to work on that wonder bubble. Make sure you continue to do research again today. Make sure you're taking the time to do that research and make sure you're using the resources from the resource folder. In Woods Runner, you are going to read chapter 11 today. And I do have just a quick announcement about Woods Runner. Thank you to Riley who showed this to me yesterday. When you are in Woods Runner, I just want you to notice that it says April 27th through May 1st because this is through the whole week. When you click on that discussion thread, it does have the directions there, but I want you to notice that because you are not reading the actual book and you're reading a PDF, the pages are a bit off. So I put on, when you pull up this chapter 10 and 11 questions that you need to answer and upload by the end of the week, I want you to know that I did change it so that for example, on question number 1, it tells you to answer questions. Let me just show you here. It says, read The American Spirit on page 65. Well, it's not on page 65 because that's in the book, but the PDF, if you look, the PDF, it's actually you are reading from is on page 69 to 70. So I put the corrections of the page numbers on the directions so that you could look there. You are still going to answer pages 1 and page 2. I'm sure you would have noticed that anyway and you would have been able to find it, but I just wanted to clear up the page numbers and put them there for you. All right, let's continue to look at our planner. You're going to work on, again, if you didn't get a chance, just look at your part for the American Revolution Readers Theater. You're going to continue with your real-time journal. There are 3 journal entries expected by the end of the week. And for social studies, like we talked about, you do get the weekend to finish your project just because we do not have school on Friday or Monday. Science, you're going to continue to work on those 2 activities on discovery. And your Flipgrid of the day, question of the day is, what's your favorite music? Why? And if you'd like to, and if you can, it would be super awesome if you just played us a little clip of your favorite song. So I look forward to seeing you in my office hours today. Just a reminder that there are no 1 o'clock meetings again, just to give you some time to play catch up here because I know it's been a lot. According to my grade book, you do need to play catch up, so make sure that you're looking for your missing assignments. You can do that by looking in your gradebook tab and look for any assignments that are missing or if has a dash through it or if you see a minimal progress. So make sure that you are looking at those. And anyway, if you have any questions, you can just join me from 10:30 to noon today. The code is 808-140-271. I hope you guys have a great day.